Hi guys, welcome to your on Adobe Photoshop class. In this video we will going to discuss about pen tool in Photoshop. So many good reasons to use the pen tool. So we have the some of the reasons. We'll go through the reasons. Most accurate way to create cutout. Paths are always editable. Save your path for return access. Make accurate selection from paths. Pen tool selection can cut anything out. We can cut anything very easily through the pen tools, and it's most accurate way to cut any pictures. Also, we can draw anything possible through the pen tool in Photoshop. P is the shortcut key for pen tool. When we working with another tool, directly want to go to the pen tool, just press the P button on keyboard, then directly will go to the pen tool is selected. Now we generally use the Alt key and Control key while using the pen tool. So these two keys very important key for using the pen tool. Alt for moves and shapes, and Control key to break the handles. So let's start with the pen tool. P is the shortcut key for pen tool. When we go to in details pen tool, there is a options called pen tool. Second option is freeform pen tool. Third option is add anchor point, then delete anchor point tool, then last convert anchor point tool. So first we'll go to the start with a pen tool. So just we click on the one places, then again click on the second places like this. We'll go to make any kind of path like this selection. So if we want to select this kind of paths, we can make it very easily in Photoshop through pen tool. This kind of selection is difficult, but through pen tool we can make easily this kind of selections. This selection is going to make in the background layer. So we have the also the one of the option in the layers. Just to go to the path, here is the option layer, channel and path. Go to path. We can see our all the paths are here. So just click the control key and select the path. It's going to convert into the selections. After the selection, again go to the layer panel, select the background layers, and just we want to fill any colors, so select any of the colors and go to the paint bucket tool and fill the colors very easily. So the selection is easy and make any paths is very easy through the pen tool. Again go to the pen tool. This is the simple way to draw two lines between point A to point B. And maybe when we want to draw the curved lines, just drag the mouse and make the curved line like this. And we have the two handles also there. This is called the handles. This handles denote the previous curves, and this handles denote the upcoming curve. Because when we click on here, the curves is moves like this. So let's see. When we click here, its curves is moves like this. So this handle make you understand this is the previous curves, and after this upcoming curve maybe this in this direction. So again we'll put our mouse here and drag it, so we'll make it this kind of curve, and then we'll again want to make the curves like this. So this is the way to make the any kind of shapes, curve shapes like this, and this is the handle. We can edit the handle also after making the selections or after making any shapes. So just click one shape. Now I clicked make one shape, and again go to the path panels and select the shapes through press the control key, and I want to fill the colors, so it's very easy. Select any colors from here and go to the paint bucket tool and fill the color. After making any shapes, we can edit or change the shapes while using the pen tool. So this is the selection of the shapes. We have one options to go to the path, and in path there is an option here to change selection into the path. So click here. So now we can edit the paths. Go to the pen tool and select through control key we can select this all the paths, and then we can edit the path like just press the control key, so we can edit any paths like this, and these are the handles to move the paths. We can also add and delete the node, so just click on the one places we can add the node, and just click on any nodes you can directly delete the nodes. So it's very easy to delete the nodes and add the nodes, and we changes the shapes very easily. Now I have changed the shapes. Again go to the selection of shapes through press the control key and selected the selections. Now we'll again wants to fill the same color, so go to the paint buckets tool and fill the colors. Let's this is the outline of previous selection, so same color we can fill. So now this way we can also edit while making any shapes through the pen tool, or control D to deselect the selections. We can make any geometrical shapes through pen tool. And this is about the shapes. Now we'll go to the actual selection of any pictures. So just open any pictures on Photoshop. We are going to use the pen tools while selecting this image. So just wanted to zoom out, zoom in little bit, so it's easier for selection. So just go to the pen tools, place the cursor on one places, then again to the second places, and then move the cursor to make any the accurate shapes. We have this direction, this is the upcoming direction, this is the previous direction. So again go to place the next point and make a shape. Again go to the next point and make a shape little bit, and this is the upcoming direction. We can change through press the alt key and again press on the same button. Again we have to make the shape. We want to change the shapes from here, so press the alt key and just click here and just a little bit zoom it this, so we can visually is better. And then again we make shape, and now again break this line, and this is this way we can go to select the accuracy is there. So again we'll put the selection here, again put the selection here, again make the selection here like this. Just keep in mind the upcoming directions and previous direction is accurate. So again we'll move to the next path. We can also edit after selection, so don't worry about this. So we can edit this after making the selection. Again little bit alt. So this way we can make the selections. We can also edit the selections, like here little bit disturbance is there, so select this line, so press the control key and select these lines, and again we go to change the shapes, so press the control key and we can easily change the shapes. Press control key and then we can edit the shapes. Now our shape is accurate. Then go to the path panels and select the whole image through control key and press here on the layers. So this is our selection. When we want to cut out this selection, just go to the layer panels, and layer panels we have also the option of mask here. This is the option of mask. When we press the mask, this way we can cut out this selection only, and we can also place the selection on the, this side is cut out, so we'll place like this so that it looks original things. In pen tool we have the other options also in pen tool, so we'll go to the free form pen tool. Is just a freehand tool. Just we draw any shapes and makes the selections through pen tool, so it's very easy. Then next tool is add anchor point and delete anchor point tool, and the convert anchor point tool. This all we are making in shortcut keys, so again we have to go in details. So just click on the pen tool, just create one shape. So I created this shape like this. Now we can change the shapes from here, so press the control key. Also we have the one options of add anchor point, so go to the add anchor points and just click on here to add anchor point. Why we create the anchor point? It's just we want to change the shapes from here, so we'll create the anchor point. So this is the anchor point, or when again we want to add the anchor point here, we add the anchor points. Just go to the next, that's the delete anchor point. When we go to the delete anchor point, just press on any anchor point, we can easily delete the anchor point. And again we have the option of convert anchor point, so go to the convert anchor points, and just we want to change the shapes from here in any directions, we can convert the anchor points in any direction. So these all options we can use in shortcuts just like this. Go to the pen tool. We just wanted to add anchor point here, so just click here to add anchor points. Is automatically come, don't need to go to the this option of add anchor point. Again we want to delete the anchor point, just go to this anchor point again, same anchor point, just click on here, so we can delete the anchor point. Again we want to go to add anchor point, so we can add anchor point. After adding the anchor points, just press the control key to move the directions. We can change the shapes from here. So this is the advantage of adding the anchor point. And again this handle is work in both sides, so we want to change the handle, we want to change only one side of handle, so just press the alt key, is shortcut key. We can make and convert the anchor point from one direction, and again we want to change the direction of this shape, so we can change only this direction. So we can break the anchor point from here through alt key. So the next option, last option is convert anchor point. This is the convert anchor point. When we break the handles or to move a point to curve, or any time we can change the curve through convert anchor point. So this way we can change the shape and we can convert the anchor point in any directions. One very important points to remember, guys, the lesser the points, the more efficient and better the shapes. So we created the lots of points here, so we'll make lots of points while selecting any objects. We can make lots of points, but the lesser the points, the more efficient and the better the shapes may be. So always try to make less point. So pen tool is very important tool for selecting any complex object and making any shapes, any sizes. The next thing in pen tool is important. Just go to the pen tool. In the pen tool options, we have the two options. One option is path and one option is shape. When we'll use paths, we can select any object very easily. We can draw any object very easily. And we have the other options called shape. While we'll select the shape and we'll draw any object using the pen tool. We have the very easy options, and we have the this is the outline. We can also change the outline. The outline number is 14.31 pt. We can decrease the size of outline also, and we can also increase the size of outline here. We can change the outlines color from here also. So we go and select any colors to change the outline color. And we have the fill color also in the shape panels, so we can change the colors from here. So it's very easy and simple ways to create any shape. We can also fill the gradient color in our shapes, and we can also change the gradient. We can also fill the patterns. So lots of options in this. While we'll create any shapes, we can fill the colors, we can change the outline color, we can also fill the gradient color. So this is the shape option in pen tool. We have another option is path option in pen tool, so we can use both the options, and we can draw any shapes, we can select the object. So this is all about the pen tool in Adobe Photoshop. If you guys like video, just like and share it. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos. In the next video I will be back again with some vital information. Till the time, stay safe, stay connected, and keep smiling. Thank you guys.